2016 Audi S4 supercharged. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got all the stock converters and the secondary converters right there. Then earlier in the year, we did an X-pipe instead of the resonator delete. And then we just did a muffler delete right there and right there, and put some quad tips on it. Some 4-inch big boys right there and right there. Came out really beautiful, really nice. Where's the mufflers? That's how you do a muffler delete on these, and a resonator delete. S4 supercharged. Sick, bro. Those tips are perfect for it too. I didn't get a front view of it. Oh. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. That's sick. Beast mode.
It runs like a champ.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.